Carlin. Can read. Carlin can read. Arms up.
What's it say? Good girl. Arms up.
Belly button. Here, horse. Clapping. Clapping.
You're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Close your eyes.
That'll your hair.
Comb your hair.
Ears. Ears. Ears.
Pull. Pull. What is that? Good girl. What's this one?
Eyes.
Close your eyes. Oh, good girl. What's this one?
Eating. Eating.
What's he doing? None. Oh, let's look. See if you're right. Eyes. Close your eyes.
Books can't be read upside down.
Point to your head. Good girl. Head.
Head.
Ready? Where's your head?
Where's your ears?
Where's your head?
Head. Knees. Knees. Look up. Look up. Nose. Nose.
Where's your nose?
Where's your nose? What is that? Good girl.
Your
Booger
nose. Put a booger on D.
Where's your nose?
Rub your nose.
Where's your nose? Open your mouth. Good girl. What's... Open your mouth.
Open.
We love word cards.
What's it say?
5.
Carlin, what's it say? Show us the card.
Here's the talking about, right? 5 is yeah. Yeah, 5.
Say hi.
You got good tasting cards.
Say hi, Carlin.
Smell the flowers. Mmm.
Squint. Squint.
You're happy and you know it's stomp your feet. You're happy and you know it's stomp your feet.
Tiger.
What's that? Tiger. Toes. Good girl.
Toes. The girl is touching her toes.
Toes. Toes. Toes. Toes. Zip. 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 Zip.